I think this is the first time na merong gantong local brand sa Philippines. I know this is not natural wood, obviously. Ito pala dalawa, actually okay na ako. Parang gusto ko to. Today, we're gonna be talking about this single accord fragrances called Twist from HSI. And these are intended for layering. And nahatiin ko tong video to into two. First is kung paano nyo to mali-layer to add layers and dimensions to your perfumes. Second is I'm gonna show you how you can play with all these perfumes and create your own unique scent. Pero bago natin simulan yan, let's first define layering. Most of the time, we mix two perfumes to create a different scent. Maybe gusto mong gumawa ng unique signature scent, or you just wanna enjoy both scent in one wearing. There's really no rules in this. Basically, you either spray two perfumes on top of each other. Some people nga kahit hindi magkapatong, kahit magkatabi lang, as long as they can smell both scents in one wearing. Also, don't confuse this with Masquerade fragrance enhancer or any other enhancers from other designer brands, because yes, perfume enhancers like Masquerade is used for layering, but for the purpose of boosting the perfume that you layered it with. Pero itong mga twists are just additional layer of scent and for mix and matching singular accords. Okay, we now go to the first method of layering, which is layering. Okay? Basically, magagamit mo to add another layer or facet to your perfume na pwede mo na gawin in two ways. One is with same scent profile, and the other one is with a totally different scent. For instance, I have here Citrus Rush. By its name, this is a citrus accord. Now, personally, gusto ko siyang i-layer with a citrus fragrance that is quite linear, meaning hindi siya masyadong nag-change, wala siyang masyadong development, and it doesn't have much facets or dimensions to it. For example, one of my favorite citrus fragrance, specifically orange, this is Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine. Ito, ang amoy nito is just orange peel and orange pulp. Ganun lang siya. So, pag nag-layer tayo, usually it's 1:1 Citrus Rush. Now, obviously, same silang citrus. But for this one, other than just orange smelling, I also get other citrus, parang extra citrus from different notes. Like maybe, this one maybe has this lemony touch. Obviously, it's still very citrusy, but at least yung orange sanguine, hindi na siya sobrang linear. Now, let's try other scent profile. I have here Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. So, basically, this is lemon, oud, and mint. Okay? Now, for this example, ang intention ko is to add brightness pa. Obviously, more citrus to this fragrance because why not, right? Add tayo ng citrus. So, nung tinry ko to nung una, it actually became more brighter. So there's still all those elements, but with added citrus, mas bright siya. So it's not really for summer. It's actually quite versatile naman, but most of the time, hindi ito yung perfume na gagamitin mo for summer heat, right? But if I want to layer it with Citrus Rush, maybe I can consider it wearing on a hot summer day because it actually became more brighter because of the citruses. I'm sure a lot of you have blue fragrances. We have Sauvage, we have Born and Aroma Intense, YEDP, and all these blue fragrances, and you want to add more brightness and citrus to its scent, no problem. Pwede mo rin siyang gawin dito. Let's try Azzaro Chrome Extreme. This one itself is a fresh, clean, marine, citrusy, aquatic fragrance, which I think is perfect on its own. But just in case you want to add more, again, brightness and citrus, pwede, right? So it will become brighter. Not just in the opening, but hanggang dulo because this is EDT, singular citrus accord. So it will help brighten up any fragrance na gusto mong ipa-brighten. Now, try naman natin a totally different scent profile. If you guys follow me on IG, na-share ko na feature ako sa Metro Magazine. Together with other influencers, we were asked kung ano yung mga favorite layering combinations namin. And kung nabasa niyo yung post na yun ng Metro Magazine, yung entry ko was actually Ombre Leather and Clinique Happy because sobrang gusto ko talaga siya. And we can actually do it in here as well. When you layer Ombre Leather, which is obviously leather, okay, straight up leather, pag hinaluan mo siya ng citrus, it then becomes like a brand new car with leather seats, and then you have a car freshener na amoy citrus. Parang gano'n na siya. Again guys, there's no rule in layering. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo are just 4 samples. Dito pa lang marami na ako masusubukang perfumes. Isang accord pa lang. And they have 8 more scents. Other than Citrus Rush, we have Atomic Musk, which is musky. Unspoken Wood, which is woody. Another Oud, which is wood. And ito medyo na-surprise ako dito because I wasn't expecting a local brand of this price. Mamaya pag-usapan natin na maglalabas ng oud. And it's actually really good for its price. So kung gusto nyo ma-experience yung oud without breaking the bank, I'm telling you, you should try this. They also have Fresh Aura, which is basically just a basic fresh. They have the Dreamer, which is basically a cologne. They have Marine Mirage, Oriental Therapy, which is now should be called Ambery, and lastly, Green Elixir. Now again guys, walang rules sa perfume layering. You can layer this perfume with any perfume that you want and experiment, and who knows, baka ma-surprise kayo sa kalalabasan. Now the second method to use twist is to mix and match these accords. So ito nakakatuwa because may pagka parang perfumery style na siya. Although to be honest, these 9 accords is enough naman, but if HSI would release more singular notes or singular accords, that would be way more fun, right? Now gawa tayo ng mix and match. Ito impromptu to, so tingnan natin. Let's start with 2 accords. Siguro maybe, eto basic lang to. Let's just mix Unspoken Wood, which is basically woody, with Green Elixir, which is green accords. If you know perfumery, di ba, usually ang nasa base is the heavier note, right? So for this one, heavier ang woods. So let's spray it first before the green scent and then green citrus. Nice. Actually, ito palang dalawa na to. It smells like a complete perfume, to be honest with you. You have to try it. It's actually really good. Let's try another one. Gawin nating tatlo. Gusto ko talaga ng oud. So let's try oud. And then let's add musk. And then Marine Mirage. So, na-imagine nyo na ba yung kalalabasan? Let's spray oud first. And then the musk. Teka, dito muna tayo. Grabe, ang ganda ng oud nila. I know this is not natural oud, obviously. But kuha niya talaga yung amoy ng oud, guys, as in. Actually, this one smells really good. Wow. Obviously, it smells very Middle Eastern because of the oud. Woody, slightly animalic, but the musk gives off that parang, you know, parang skin-like feeling. Ito parang dalawa, actually, okay na ako. Parang gusto ko to. Sige, let's see kung ano kalalabasan pag naglagay pa tayo ng marine, which is not really common, okay? It's not common to add marine accord to oud, but let's see. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, wala naman limit dito eh. Nung nilayer ko sila, parang nangibabaw nung una yung marine. But now, I do get the musk as well, supporting the marine. Yung oud medyo ang tabunan ng konti, but I'm sure lalabas to mamaya. You know what? Let's try ito na my skin. Better on skin, actually. Pwede. Obviously, musk, usually ginagamit yan sa mga supporting. So, hindi na siya masyadong detectable in here. So, what I smell is just the marine and the oud. Parang wearable oud. Very marine, very aquatic, fresh, bagong ligo. Pero oud yung base. Cool, diba? Ito, sige, last na. Let's try 5 scents, okay? Let's go with Unspoken Wood as well. And then, another oud. Atomic Musk, Citrus Rush, and Green Elixir. Okay. Now, combining 5 accords smells more like a finished product, like fresh, parang bagong ligo, with obviously a woody base. Actually, it's very straightforward naman talaga. You add woody accord, it will smell woody. You add fresh citrus accord, of course, magsasama-sama siya. So, it's becoming more parang complete fragrance dahil ang perfume has top, mid, base notes, right? It smells more complete. Now, these bottles are 60 ml Eau de Toilette concentration. These are EDTs for 299 pesos. And these are all available in all e-com platforms. I'll put all the links down below. Now, overall verdict, in fairness, kahit ginawa siya for layering, you can actually wear this alone. It actually smells good on its own. Iba rin yung parang overall quality niya. This one offers more than 300 pesos quality. I think it smells better than how it is priced, na 300 pesos. Again, these are all EDTs, so expect the performance is gonna be 4 to 6 hours longevity as the standard range of all EDTs. But really, with that price, I don't really mind. I just love the concept. I think this is the first time na merong gantong local brand sa Philippines na gumawa ng gantong konsepto, right? Anday mo na magagawang layering, that mix and matching. Honestly, it's not really a bad idea. So, thumbs up for the concept. I actually like it. It's a breath of fresh air to us because, again, this is a new concept. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And what are your thoughts about this new concept of layering? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, I have a Facebook group. It's called Greg Parilla #Scent Squad para updated kayo sa mga upcoming project releases and exclusive contents within the group. And also sa mga activities na plano namin gawin in the very near future. I'll also put the link below in the description. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.